welcome to my channel. Today we are making we're making the sun. I'm gonna tell you some things about the sun. It gives us light and heat. See, we're living on Earth, right? So you can see that the sun is yellow. But if you go out to space within a rocket, you will see the truth. The sun is white, even though it's called a yellow dwarf. Materials needed: a yellow circle that's gonna be in the center of our sun, and 2 eyes for the eye of our sun. When I took it up, you saw, right? 2 eyes. They're gonna be my eyes. No, it's gonna be the sunlight. This black thing, why is it useful? Okay, you might understand. And we'll need a curve. What does this make? A smile. So that's gonna be used for a mouth, and of course a lot of strips. So let's get started with the face of our sun. First, we will need a big yellow circle. Why? For the face. We are making it yellow. I told you that the sun's actually white, but we are making the sun that we could see through the skies. So we are using yellow. Now we will need the eyes. It's gonna be my eyes. Just kidding, it's the sun's eyes. And we'll need a black half circle. The red thing is its tongue. Now let's go on by making our sun. We'll need the face of our sun. Okay, let's first attach the eyes. Open. My Fevicol, I don't have my glue stick today. Now gonna attach the next eye. Slowly press a little only so it won't slip away from where you kept it. Now we are gonna add this black thing for its mouth. I call it black thing because it looks like a black half circle. Okay, just in place. Now here's my smiley. If you don't want to make a sun, just make a smiley. Happy smiley. Now we are gonna flip our smiley over. But guys, wait for it to dry and then flip it over. I have flipped it over, and now let's begin. First, you will have to know how to use this strip. So first we'll take one strip. I'll take pink, my favorite color. I take like this, and I'll take my Fevicol, put a small glob of glue. A tiny bit is enough. Fevicol was so strong, I noticed. We'll need 2 globs of and fall down. Okay. Now we're gonna put some here on the top of our. We are bringing it towards, with the strip that ending. We'll fold the top towards the ending, so it'll become like this. So we have 1 strip, but that's not enough. The sun has flares all around. We're gonna use these strips to make the flares. So let's do it now.